Hi guys. We are going to start a new project, so this is our introductory video. I want to work on a 5x7 flip and fold. The video that I saw on YouTube calls it a mini album for photos, but I want to use it as a journal, of course. She has a tutorial. It's Janie the Craft Princess on YouTube, and I think she just calls it her 5x7 flip and fold mini album. She uses a kit, and that's what made me think of using this one. She uses a kit from Victoria Designs. That's beautiful. Similar in color and scheme to this one by Artymaze. So that's why I want to use My Sweet Rose by Artymaze. She uses a colored cardstock in her video, and I am going to be using Craft Guard. So a littler, a little grungier. So anyway, yeah, this is a beautiful kit, and I don't know which is which. I ordered I don't think I printed out the TN pages, but I have the TN, the full-size main journal kit, and the add-on for this. So, but first are the background pages. I'm just going to run through these real quick. They look Artymaze. Andrew does such a good job with these. Beautiful. I'm never disappointed when I get one of her kits. So I'm just going to run through these quickly. Because there are so many pieces with these, but hopefully you'll get an idea of where we're going with this. Excuse me, I'm probably not even going to go through half of these, but I am going to use, I went ahead and printed everything because I'm going, although Janie had made hers into a mini album for photos, etc., I'm going to add some journal pages in the style of Carol Tinson. Oh, that's just blanks. Where I'm just going to tie them in with a ribbon so they can be removed. Just a couple, maybe 2 or 3 full size on each side, just for a little, because it's kind of small, maybe like a mini journal type thing. It is 5x7, but there's an envelope and a journal card, another envelope, some dress forms, another envelope. This is the double envelope. This attaches this way to the top of those envelopes. Those are fun for putting in the signature. Some pockets. Excuse me. Some journal cards. These could be journal cards or a booklet. That would make a cute little tuck in. Some tags, some more tags, some folders, which I may use these for pockets because I've printed these accidentally on 28-pound paper. More pockets, journal cards. I'm not sure how I'm going to use these, but these are all printed on 28-pound paper, which is not what I had intended. I usually print my ephemera pieces on cardstock. So these are printed on cardstock. And excuse me, so that's why there's duplicates here of some of these. Yeah. So anyway, I think this is going to be really, really neat. And I've just printed out, in fact, it looks like I missed, oh no, that's the double pocket. I went ahead and printed out like a tan color on the back, just so that I don't have to be distressing the whole piece. And it's just like a coffee dyed. One of them is darker because I ran out of ink and then ran it back through, but I don't think that's going to matter because it's on the ephemera. So if I'm going to use that ephemera, I'm going to probably attach it to the front of something. So anyway, that's what we're going to start next. It's going to be our My Sweet Rose flip and fold journal. That's what I'm going to call it. So Thanks for watching this introduction, and I'll see you next time.